This used to be a old theater, historic theater. They fixed this up and remodeled this place fast. Holy shit. Slow as fuck. LULA. This used to be an old elevator. It had a really high call station that was all white, which I think was C.J. Anderson. Shut the fuck up. Look at this thing though, it's nice. I do like the cab, not your typical LULA cab. I wonder if they have like seats up here or something. Ooh, an all-gender bathroom. This place is freaking nice. Look at this. I am promoting them. They did a good job remodeling. Holy fuck, 16 bucks? Look at how expensive everything is. I mean, it is a midtown restaurant, what do you expect? This thing, oh, tiny little dot matrix display. What the fuck? Wait, we were never moving? I swear, I thought this thing moved. Wow, we were never moving. That's hilarious. I barely felt it go down. We're moving now, I think, yeah. These are old album covers. Beep. Indicator sounds like innovation. Yeah, very nice place. Let's go end it up too. Look at that, the tour bus lights. Interessante. Seems fresh out the box. Anyway, that'll be it.